हेलो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल कैंप सॉल्यूशन। टुडे वी विल डिस्कस द शॉर्ट video about Hess's law of heat summation. So what the Hess's law means that whether the reaction take place in one step or in two step, the heat energy, the heat delta H will be always be same. The sum will be always be same. Let's take one example. I am taking two system here. One is system A, which is converting in system B. Okay, these are two system. Now if A will convert into B, it will absorb some amount of heat energy, release absorb, or it release some amount of heat energy. Suppose it takes Q amount of heat energy. Okay, this is the first step, we can say. Now this reaction can also happen in like this: A first gives C, then it will give B. A to C, the heat taken is Q1, and C to B, the heat taken is Q2. So we have to understand that this Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2. The total heat will be same, either it take place in one step, either it take place in two step, irrespective of the way the reactant react to the from the product. You should have to say that the heat should be the temperature should be constant. Okay, this is the Hess's law. Let me take one more example of CO2, formation of CO2. Now the formation of CO2, we have to first take carbon. Okay, carbon plus half O2 in gaseous state gives CO2 gaseous state. Okay, this is one step. Okay, next step number second, this CO, this will be CO. Okay, this CO will be reacting with half O2 to give CO2. This is the second step. This step, the heat delta H is minus 111.5 kilojoule. Okay, and in this the delta H will be minus 282 kilojoule. Now this two step can happen in one step also, like C plus O2 gives CO2, and the total heat will be delta H will be minus 393 kilojoule. This will be the sum of these two. Either it take place in two step or either it take place in one step. This is the Hess's law, most important topic on the basis of board exam. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.